I don't have teen drivers yet. My kids are still 6 and 4 years old, but even as an insurance agent, I'm not looking forward to paying the auto insurance premiums that I know come with having teen drivers in the house. That being said, at Rogue Risk, we have worked hard with our carrier partners to find the discounts that you can use on your auto insurance to help reduce those premiums. Like, they're never gonna be as low as when those kids are out of the house, but while they're there and they're on your family auto insurance policy, there are ways to reduce those premiums as much as possible. And today we're gonna talk about 5 of the major ways that things you can do right now to help reduce your auto insurance premiums with teen drivers in the house. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I'm the founder of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance a little differently. And what I mean by that is we're active in making sure that we know exactly what our carriers can provide, and we're very particular in the carriers that we work with so that we're providing both the best coverage and the best pricing opportunities for you. We don't shop out to 30 different carriers because that's not what's best for you. What's best for you and your family is making sure that you have good coverage in the event that something bad happens, but that you're working with carriers like the ones that I'm going to talk about today that have discount programs specifically designed for your particular needs. So method number 1, make sure that on your auto insurance, your teen driver or drivers are assigned to the cheapest to fix or replace and safest car possible out of the cars that you have in your family. If your teens are accidentally assigned or just purposefully assigned to a car that's very expensive to fix, then the cost of the premiums of that particular vehicle on your policy are going to be amplified. And if your teen isn't actually driving that car, or if you can switch cars with them so that they're driving a car which is inexpensive to fix, but obviously also very safe and has safety features, hopefully modern safety features, you can make sure that the impact to that particular vehicle's premiums is limited. All right, method number 2 is check the specific deductibles on the vehicle that your teen is driving. So if you have comp and collision coverage, otherwise known as full coverage in kind of common vernacular, it will have a deductible, an amount that you pay before the insurance company starts to pay out. You can lower and increase these deductibles based on the carrier that you have. They'll have different requirements, how high or how low you can go. And when you lower a deductible, your premiums go up. When you increase a deductible, your premiums go down. And if you can increase the deductible, 1,000 would probably be where you want to start. Maybe you want to go up to 1,500 or even a $2,000 deductible or higher even for your teen's vehicle. Then you can help reduce the monthly cost associated with that particular vehicle on your auto insurance. Now, again, you have to have the cash on hand to be able to cover a loss up to that deductible. So you want to be smart about this because you are going to have to pay that in the event that there's a claim. But specifically increasing the deductible on the vehicle that your teen drives is the second way that you can reduce your premiums when you have a teen driver in the house. The third way to reduce your premiums is driver's ed or driver education. These are pretty standard. Everyone's pretty familiar with these, but you want to make sure that both you're getting your teens some sort of driver education, and then once that driver education is completed, getting those certificates to your insurance provider. Hopefully in the future, if you're watching this, will be Rogue. You can send it to us, and then we can make sure that that discount is applied to your auto insurance policy. The fourth way to reduce your auto insurance premiums with teen drivers in the house is actually where we start to get into the programs that Rogue Risk has specific and unique access to. And the first one is called Teen Safe. Teen Safe is a program. It's a 3-part program specifically designed to teens. It is some carrier-specific education. It is a mobile app that you parents have. What that app allows you as the parents do is track that teen's driving performance, speed, braking, turning, how often they're using the car, how far they're driving, their interaction with the road, and allows you to train them to be safer, more consistent drivers. And the third part is actually a special deductible program that allows that you can apply to that teen's vehicle to help reduce your premiums. Teen Safe is a program that you can get through Rogue Risk. Not every agent is going to have this program, and we specifically sought this program out as a way to help families in our community reduce their premiums when they have teen drivers. The fifth and final way that you can reduce premiums on your auto insurance when you have teen drivers right now is something called Parent Choice. This is another program that Rogue Risk has specific access to, allows you to designate certain vehicles as rarely used by teen drivers. And what this does is allow the insurance company to underwrite the policy so that when you, the experienced driver, is using the car, it is a much lower deductible than when that teen driver is using the car. And the increased deductible, the variability in deductible on that vehicle allows you to save on your auto insurance premiums. If you'd like to see if you and your family align with these programs and coverage needs and if they can actually save you on your auto insurance, please give us a call here at Rogue Risk. Our number is 518-960-6600, or just visit roguerisk.com today. Fill out one of the forms that you see and we can begin the process. Just because you have teens in the house doesn't mean you should be overpaying for your auto insurance. Rogue would love to help you solve that problem.